So, Joy of Drama is a bundle of surprise, pleasant surprise. When I initially put my children into drama, it was just like any other theatre class, thinking that they are. It's all about performing in front of audience. It's not at all about performing in front of audience.
And believe me, that was a shocker because Rohan and Shakespeare just don't go together because he is not into reading. And here I have my son spouting Shakespeare, reading the books, reading about the poet, which was so beautiful for me. You know, it was like I was crying all through the presentation, I think, just to see him there. And it was so beautiful. He suddenly started taking a lot, and also it brought a lot of discipline into his life.
But when he did that online performance, I was totally, left spellbound, like in a way, and I was speechless because I didn't think he's not a very expressive person by nature, but the way he was able to express, I think it was. I saw facets of him in those few minutes that I had never seen.
I just see her laughing, smiling, huffing, puffing, shouting, and saying, this is what happened and this is what happened. And she's just, it's not important of what she's saying, what she's done it, but just so joyful from within. I can't miss that vibration.
My children were very shy, extremely shy individuals who would not even come out to greet people when they came home. Immediate family as well. Say if my brother came, they don't stay in Delhi, my children would be very shy to even come and say hello to them. And my aim was only to make them come out of this shyness, and I thought theatre would do some good to them. And to my surprise, the children are blossoming.
I have seen the change in my daughter in the way, though she joined Joy of Drama when she was just a baby of 4 years old. I was one of those moms who just felt. But Joy of Drama is actually opening their mind. It's keeping their minds open. It's working as a parallel system, and thankfully they are working as a parallel system.
Okay, so I suddenly walk into his room at night and completely into his character and quoting Shakespeare and stuff. I said, what's happened? I couldn't understand it for the first 2 minutes because, of course, it takes a lot of effort to understand Shakespeare now. And so he was reading out his lines aloud, and my daughter was, when is he going to shut up? Because we all need to sleep now. So I went to just shut him up, now just go a little easy. And I hear he is like waving his hands and going into character and stuff. I actually sat down and I said, is this the same boy? I mean, 4 years back, this boy wouldn't want to go for class. And is this the same? So it was a beautiful journey, beautiful, beautiful journey. I wouldn't have it otherwise. And I feel it's so, so important because he was introduced to a classical feature of art which he wouldn't have otherwise been exposed to.
It's not at all about performing in front of audience. And I have realized it's more about life skills, it's more about personality development. And there are such small changes that I'm noticing in my kids.
I've not felt that ठीक है एक theatre कर लिया, एक stage कर लिया. It's not been like that. I think Joy of Drama is more about life skills and taking out the best in every child individually.
It's not per se theatre that is happening at Joy of Drama. It's letting a child be in their skin and then changing their skin to experience other experiences also. That, agility that a human being needs is what is being practiced there.
You're not handed over a script and the child is not expected to go and just mug it up and, produce it.
Well, Joy of Drama is home, so Joy of Drama is the place that I think it was one of my best decisions to just have her become and all of us become a part of Joy of Drama. So Joy of Drama for me is not a drama institute where she goes to learn drama.
I really feel that it is one of the safest place my daughter experiences. She is so open there, she is so herself there. So Joy of Drama has given her that space from a very young age. She has experienced that it is okay to be myself. And I hope that this grows and this helps her grow more and more.
Girl who was so shy in her cocoon, she started loving these classes. She's coming in, you know, Mom, it's very important to continue these classes. And do you know, Mom, if I do not do these classes, I will lose all the work that I have done in so many months. And how would 1 hour make a difference? I'm not anyway studying for 24 hours. She was convincing me how important it is for her to do these classes, whereas I was only thinking of her time management and things. So my children love this, absolutely love this.
Sometimes you want to hold back something with the child loves. And if ever it comes to my point where I've had it and all I have to say is I think tonight it's not happening. I think we are stopping things and we are stopping the theater also. And the second thing is, no, Mama, please do whatever you want. You promise me that for the rest, obviously for a 7-year-old, everything is the rest of their lives, right? So my thing comes that for the rest of my life, promise me that you will let me do that. I will do whatever you ask.
If anybody I could leave my daughter to and still feel safe about, emotionally, mentally, physically, then that's Joy of Drama.
I'm raising 2 and I know how much work it takes to build that bond. So that bond in itself is a compliment. And my trust with with the theory there is that most of the time I don't even know what they're doing with my child. I just know my child is super happy. And she wants to be here. And for me, that is enough because that I know is doing something good at a different level. It's helping her to be herself. And that for me, frankly, is more than I could have asked for.
He was completely only football, eating football, drinking football, sleeping with footballs. So you can imagine that was a scenario. I mean, going down in studies, not interested in studies, not interested in taking part in anything in the school. So in that background, somebody told me about Vaishali and it was really a tussle with Rohan to push him to go to Vaishali the first year, I think, but he loved it. He loved it from the minute he started out. And I was so shocked because when Vaishali told me that, we can skip this grade and go on to the second because he's ready for it. And I said, are you sure? Because he never has put in any amount of effort in anything other than this.
Honestly, I had taken Anaya to another place as well, just to see myself and for her to give it an exposure. And when we attended the demo class with Vaishali, her face was very evident that this is where she wants to be, right? Now at this stage, difficult to articulate that what excited her or something. But as a mother, that was good enough for me to know because I know my child that if she didn't like that vibe of that place, she would have might as well said it, no, I don't want it.
My pleasure always. Anything for Joy of Drama, and a big appeal to all the parents that please, no, not because Rohan has been there, and also because Rohan has been there, that do not think about anything, just go into it, give your child, and you'll be surprised how the way the kids express themselves, and it's a whole new journey which I think we should give them a chance to explore.
They are just enjoying this. It's been one of the most fabulous things I think I could have done for the kids, which has just come by. I was not aware at all that this is what a speech and a drama class could do.